The Amazons are on fire. NASA released pictures saying that it can be seen from space. Your Instagram is flooded with it. We'll explain to you why the raging Amazon forest fires is something that demands your immediate attention. The Amazon forest is often referred to as the planet's lungs, as it provides 20% of the atmosphere's oxygen. The Amazon stretches over 5.5 million square kilometers. The forest cover, home to 1/3 of all known plants and animals, is depleting at an alarming rate. And since the 1950s, it has shrunk by 18%. Though the rate of deforestation had decreased in the last few years compared to the 80s and 90s, the latest fire is likely to cause havoc. Reportedly, the Amazon witnessed over 70,000, a record number of fires this year. This is an 80% increase from last year, and last week saw 9,000 of them. The very serious immediate effect was that Sao Paulo in Brazil witnessed a complete daytime blackout in the city with thick dark smoke everywhere. Environmentalists have been raising an alarm about deforestation ever since President Jair Bolsonaro was elected in 2018. The president wanted to release a portion of the land from the ecologically sensitive rainforest for developmental projects. And data by Brazil's National Institute of Space Research shows that more forest has been cleared out in this summer than the last 3 years. What's more worrying is that some of the forest fires are human-initiated, which was initially started to clear out an area but spiraled out of control and spread elsewhere. Deforestation leads to less rainfall, which in turn leads to forests drying up further, thereby reducing the green cover. Brazil's President Bolsonaro has cried foul, saying that non-governmental organizations may be setting fires in the Amazon to embarrass the Brazilian government, a charge that remains unverified.
São os índios, então quer que eu culpe os índios? Vou escrever os índios amanhã? Quer que eu culpe os marcianos?
Não, presidente.
No meu entender, muitíssimo, fortíssimo, que esse pessoal de ontem perdeu a teta deles.
The Amazon ecosystem absorbs massive amounts of carbon emissions. The continuous fire leads to emission of a high amount of carbon into the air, which is likely to cause respiratory problems and heart diseases, not to mention the significant loss of a substantial number of species of flora and fauna. The impact is too early to be assessed, but given the recent spate of global warming, the melting of the Arctic ice and reduction of Himalayan glaciers, the Amazon fires might be the last nail in the coffin to prevent the degradation.